Hey guys, I'm camping and I need a antenna to put up here at the camper to leave up all weekend. Just a fun antenna. This is First Landing State Park in Virginia Beach, Virginia, which is also US 1299. You guys probably know it. I'm here all the time over the dunes on the beach here. I love this place. So the good folks at Guohetec have sent me a really cool antenna. This is the heart of it. This is the GH-V5. I'm not special. They do this for everybody. If you order this, they put your call sign on it. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, cool. This is the heart of it. This is what this is one of those vertical V-Dipoles. These are two telescopic whips that go into it. Also with it, you have, these are 40-meter add-ons. So you can do an inverted V with these off of, putting them on the top for 40 meters. I'm just going to put this up for the 20-meter band. 20-meter band seems to be going into the evening. Comes alive pretty quick in the morning, so I'm going to put the GH-V5 from Guohetec up. They also sent me a really cool tripod to put this thing up on, so we're going to use that as well. And leave this thing up through the entire weekend. While I'm camping, I get a break here or there, I'll come here. I'm going to put the radio inside my camper there and just get on when I want to play around, maybe do a quick activation here that I'm camping in a Poda park. But I want to see just how good this GH-V5 from Guohetec is. Now this is, the power rating on this is 400 watts, and it's pretty cool actually. It feels as a nice, well-built piece of kit here. So I'm gonna put it up and enjoy my weekend playing a little ham radio here at the First Landing State Park in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Stick around, we'll put it up. Okay, here it is set up. I'll zoom in a little bit, give you a look there. So there it is in its vertical V formation. I just got it up between the trees here, so I'll come around and show you on the tripod there. This is my wife's car that we pull the trailer with because she's got the power. And here we go. Here is the tripod leading up to the vertical dipole. I'm kind of east-west with it, so that's the position it's in, maybe a little southwest, which maybe help me out here as far as the states are concerned. As we look around here, there's the coax, 30 feet of coax, and I got it going into the camper here. On the back side of the camper, I'll go inside and we'll take a look and I'll show you the setup for the weekend to play some HF here while I'm camping. And here we go. Let's take a look inside here and peek at the setup. It's a little dark in here. This is inside. This is a, if you saw from the outside, it's a Dutchman Aspen. This is it's called a bunkhouse. Anyway, on the inside here on the table, I'll have my Guohetec PMR 171. Grandkids are here, so we've been playing a little bit of Crocodile Dentist. This is our camper, guys. With the inside, kind of cool. Then my grandsons have their bunk beds. I have two boys, 3 and 6. So that's their spot. Refrigerator, microwave, stove, and a sink, and there's a shower bathroom back there. So this is it for the weekend. And that's it for playing radio for the weekend right there. We'll have some fun. I'll see how this goes by the end of the weekend and if we're happy with that antenna.
Cheers, Echo 7DX.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4?
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
K4OGO 59890.
You're 59003.
Thanks, C7DX.
CQ, this is Alpha Echo 4 in the Tango, Alpha Echo 4 in the Tango. Calling CQ, and stay my friend call.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar,
QSL, you're 5656 into Virginia Beach, Virginia. Good morning.
Good morning there, My name is Otis, as in Oscar Tango India Sierra, and I heard about your YouTube channel before, and I could say that it's an amazing YouTube channel. Me and my grandfather absolutely love watching the YouTube channel, just watching about tutorials about radio and stuff too, to itself.
Hey, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I'm camping right now and sitting in my little camper here talking on the radio, so it's good to make a contact with you, my friend. What's your QTH? Where are you located?
Me and my grandfather are currently located in Pensacola, Florida, QSL.
I love it there. QSL. Well, I'm not on the beach this time. I'm actually sitting in my camper here at a campground in Virginia Beach, Virginia. But your signal is wonderful. It's on the S meter, it's coming up around a 6 or so, but it sounds like a perfect 5.9 signal here this morning.
Roger there. I was going to say, how much power are you using right now?
Just 20 watts, and I have like a little, it's called a positive V-Dipole antenna that I have up over top of my camper here, just two telescopic whips kind of up in a V, like a dipole. So, yeah, that's the situation here. The radio is my little PMR 171, 20 watts.
I could say your 20 watts is coming amazing over there, amazing over here, I mean. I could say I'm only using 100 whiskey.
Yep, that was for you, Bob.
Yeah, I think that's Guohetec right down the line noise, but good morning. Well, good to work here again if that is you, but I'd have to give you about a 3x2, mate. 3x2, over.
Hey, good enough. I'm well inland. I'm not on the beach. I'm sitting in my RV there, camper trailer here, with a little vertical telescopic dipole up on the top. The fact that I'm getting through to you there, Bob, is good enough for me this morning. VK4 BOB, K4 OGO. Back to you, my friend.
Same in a couple of days. Let me send a WhatsApp message, please, Paul.
Yeah, no worries. Well, Bob's going to send you a WhatsApp message. He'll send you a message on WhatsApp from QSL.
QSL. Can I get your call as well? I'll get you in the log there, my friend.
Yeah, QSL. Well, it's a special event called Victor India 8 Papa Oscar Lima. Victor India 8 Papa Oscar Lima for National Police Week here in Australia. The name is Paul, and you're 5 and 5, 55, QSL.
QSL, you're 55 as well here into Virginia Beach, Virginia, on the Atlantic coast there. Hey, thanks for letting me make contact with Bob there, good friend of mine, and good to make contact with you there as well this morning there, my friend.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. I haven't bought your book yet, but I am going to. Trust me. You're at 57, 57. We're on the coast, but down in southwest Florida. Uncle Sam at 1900. And I've got some more operators for you,
QSL, great signal too. Your report's about a 5.6 here, and I'll stand by for the next operator.
Okay, well, thank you very much for the 5.6. This is Second Up, November 2, Victor Golf Alpha, NQDG. Yeah, you got a nice signal coming in here to Uncle Sam 1900. Stand by for the third up. Okay, third up here, November Charlie, 2 Hotel, NC28, same part, same report.
Roger that. You guys, the same report here as well. I do have some QRM right next to us, but you're coming in there loud and clear. Back to you. Oh, what a great weekend I've had. Man, I went down to the beach and operated. I've got this here now with the camper. And this thing's going to stay with me permanently. A nice little bag. I'm going to pack it up here and put it in. So really cool. The tripod, I don't think I mentioned it earlier. It's a 4 meter high, so that thing extends up to 4 meters, and which is pretty cool. I've recently did a social media post talking about things I review, and I've got 3 criteria on those, or the 3 things I do. One, it's something that I really want, and I go out and buy it and use it and feature it on the channel. 2 is if I'm contacted by a company and they have a product and I look at it and I say, yeah, I want it. I would love to have that. I would buy that and I'll review it on it. And 3, I pursue a company and really just ask them, hey, I want to review your product. The Guohetec stuff that you've seen lately is me pursuing. They didn't offer this to me. I actually contacted them and was on it for almost a year about the PMR 171 radio. I wanted that thing so bad because it fit it fit everything that I wanted in a radio. I wanted, you know, a battery, the whole deal. And I established my relationship with Guohetec, and they sent me this as well. This was complimentary for them, for me to try out. And I really like this thing. So just want to let you know that. I'll put a link below to Guohetec. I believe the way to buy from Guohetec is through AliExpress. That is probably the best thing. But all in all, man, that thing was nice. I just kept it on 20 meters all weekend and used it that way. So I'll put some more. Maybe I'm coming back in 4 weeks. Next month we'll be camping here as well, and I'll be in a different site with more wooded area. I'll probably do the inverted V40 wires on it. We'll try it on the 40 meter band as well. But all in all, man, putting this thing up was easy. It was just wonderful. I did not expect to make the VK, the Australian contacts with this, although I am still probably 75, 80 meters from the water. It's just on the other side of me there on the dunes. So that was pretty cool. Those contacts were amazing as well. I didn't really activate POTA, but I did some hunting, and that was fun with it as well. I probably spent more time with the grandkids and my wife and all, and sitting out here and enjoying a campfire. We love doing campfires at night and listening to AM radio, a medium wave for you guys not in the States. Did more of that, but it was nice to have that in the camper and enjoy it. It really was, and I'm permanently, this is a permanent fixture now for this. I enjoyed it. Hey, if you enjoy HF radio as much as I do, I know I review some products. Sometimes I just build a lot of antennas and out of wire or what have you on the beach. Please like and subscribe. That's what I'm all about. That's what the channel is all about. Hey, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.